May I please invite Mr. Vishaal Kumar. He is a finance leader and entrepreneur who has built ventures at intersection of finance, technology, and impact. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Vishaal Kumar?
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Vishaal Kumar, founder of Finwealth, co-founder Tradelabs Technologies, and I'm part of GoKhana, that's Tobox. It's a $2 billion company as a chief investment officer. Excuse me for this, that I'm a very bad speaker. I don't tend to speak much because we try to always handle the back end of India's largest brokerage houses like HDFC, Kotak, and Zerodha. It's just now that we just entered Forbes this year. We have started going to events and started to make sure we want to tell people what high frequency trading and what low latency infrastructure means in India. So just bear with me for the 5 to 10 minutes. Stock market is always a bad topic to talk on. It's a very boring topic as well. You know how many people lose money in stock markets? Any guesses? Any average percentage? Come on, guys. It's almost 92% of people across globe lose money in trading and investing in stock markets. The reason is, again, AI now. Because with the introduction of high frequency trading and low latency, you know what is high frequency? Have you heard about high frequency? Yeah. So, it's all about speeds. You know, we ourselves, we are a high frequency company. We trade at 4,000 microseconds. You know what is 1 microsecond? That's like 1 second divided by 10 lakhs. So that's the speed we trade with. We have partnered with BlackRock. There's a company called BlackRock. I don't know how many of you have heard about it. So I have my small introduction here. So this is my small introduction. I serve as a Chief Investment Officer in GoKhana Tobox. Tobox is a unicorn in India. It acts like a Zomato or Swiggy, or in Dubai you can say Karim, which is an app, like Uber in US and other things. And I'm a co-founder in Tradelabs Technologies, which is in India, obviously, India and Singapore. We have an office in Singapore as well. And we deal with high frequency trading and low latency. We develop infrastructures for companies like stock markets and cryptocurrency exchanges. So I started, I don't know how many of you know Indian rupee. So I started my career with, I asked my dad that I want to trade in stock markets. So I asked him around, say, 50,000 rupees in 2017. I'm 32, by the way. So yeah, it's 8 years back. I asked him that I want some 50,000 rupees to trade on. I started learning strategies for like 2 years. I didn't make any money, frankly. And then I started making money with whatever I had learned in stock markets. Then I joined in Tradelabs in 2021 as co-founder. And this is my small introduction. Finwealth, I think it's one of those apps in India where I have around like 3.5 lakh downloads. We just started this year, where we give short, crisp info about news regarding financial markets across India as well as globe. Then Tradelabs, as I spoke about high frequency trading, as I told, 92% people lose money in stock markets. The first and foremost reason is intraday trading. I don't know how many people know. We do maximum of intraday trades today in India as well. So in intraday trading, people trade in 2 options called futures and options, where a lot of people lose money. One reason is because of manually they trade. That doesn't work in India because there are systems which are now built. Companies like Vanguard, BlackRock, you take Morgan Stanley, you take any hedge fund or funds across globe, they all use machines, that is AI, artificial intelligence, who make billions of dollars. Like this year, I don't know how many of you have heard, Jane Street, there's a company called Jane Street in Singapore. They made around 40,000 crores. That's around, say, $5 billion with just intraday trading in Indian stock markets with a capital of around $2 million. That's like they have doubled their investment while trading with the machines. Last year, we did also with around, say, 175% returns in high-frequency trading. We trade at 4,000 microseconds. I don't know. I know it's very complicated, but just believe me, it's just 4,000 microseconds we trade on. And we have built softwares like TSS, Quantra, and Spreadbot. So these are softwares which we discuss on. So I'll just give a brief about what high frequency is. In 1990s, I don't know how many of you are there was no demate. There was all physical distribution of shares across India. Then in 2000s, you see people have demated the shares. After 2008 crash, people started using AI. It cannot be an AI, but yeah, machines to trade on. And then after that, after especially COVID, people started making their strategies inbuilt in systems that's called as LMLs, learning modules, and using that, they including us, we trade at, depends, 4,000, 5,000 microseconds. So this helps us make a lot of money because retailers in India or investors, they don't tend to have such machines because these infrastructures take a lot of money to build on. Again, I'll tell you in Indian rupees, it says around 50 to 75 crores. It takes to build one HFT machine, other than the other costs, like AWS, server costs, you have CTCL cost, you have your leasing line cost, you have stock market securities cost, you need to pay to government. Indian government is a highly taxed government in stock market, especially when you do intraday trading. Especially it's around 33%. So these are things which we do. And lastly, I'll talk about GoKhana. This is the reason I have invested in this company. It's $1 billion company now. So this company provides, it acts as a corporate kitchen to the Indian corporate people. We serve around 6.5 lakh meals per day to our clients like Google, Microsoft, Facebook, and other big MNC players who take the food from us, or say directly, indirectly, in the name of white labeling, obvious. So these are the things which I do. It was a great honor to speak with you all here. And investing, I have always believed, I think investing is not only about money, it's about investing on people as well. We have around 800 employees in Tradelabs, and we have around 2,000 employees in GoKhana, that's Tovox Ventures. So we believe that people create money, not money doesn't create people. So that's what I want to end up with. I would like to thank the organizers for giving me this 5 to 10 minutes to speak on my companies and what I've been doing here for the next. And thank you all. Thank you so much.